Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 3. It is from chapter 29 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a physicist watching an orangutan. Okay, so let's write down what we know. The physicist is watching a 15-kilogram orangutan, so that's the mass of the orangutan, 15 kilograms. And let's see, notices each oscillation takes 3 seconds, so that's the period, 3.00 seconds. Let's see, so we need to find the difference in energy, delta E, for the allowed oscillation states. We need to find N, given that an energy of 5.00 joules. And then we need to answer the question, can quantization be observed? Okay, so let's go for frequency first, and frequency is 1 over the period. So the frequency is going to be 1 over 3.00 seconds, and that gives a frequency of 0.333 hertz. Okay, and let's see, but we need the energy, and so delta E is H times F. And so delta E is 6.626 times 10 to the minus 34 joules times seconds. And we're going to multiply that by the frequency, 0.333 hertz. Okay, this gives us a change in energy, a delta E of 2.21 times 10 to the minus 34 joules. Okay, that's what we needed to find. All right, now in part B, we need to find N. We can use energy is N plus 1/2 times HF. Okay, delta E is equal to HF, so we can use our delta E. And so let's solve for the N. So N plus 1/2 is the energy divided by H times F. So N is the energy over HF minus 1/2. So N is going to be the 5 joules divided by the HF, which is delta E, which is 2.21 times 10 to the minus 34 joules. And then we just need to subtract the 1/2. Okay, I did this calculation, and I found N is 2.26 times 10 to the 34. So there's N. Okay. And now in part C, we need to answer the question, can the quantization be observed? And we can safely say the quantization can't be observed. And that is because N is too large and the delta E is too small. So that won't be an oscillation we can see. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.